Hello friends, I am Anwesha and I welcome you to this channel Aspiring Banker Anwesha. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. I make videos on English for bank exams. Also friends, every day I conduct free live sessions on Unacademy at 9:30 am and at 2:30 pm. So don't forget watching those sessions because at 9:30 am I discuss questions for prelims examinations and at 2:30 pm I discuss reading comprehension every day for your mains examination. So these sessions are super helpful and important for you. So don't miss these sessions. And also if you are a first time user of Unacademy, use the invite code Annie for unlocking these free sessions. You will find the link to these free sessions in the description box down below. Please click the link and register. And also the PDF of this session, this fixed preposition, will be provided on the Telegram channel. So please join the Telegram channel. You will find the link in the description box. So now let's start the session. Now let's solve these fillers on fixed preposition. Okay, we will solve these fillers very quickly. The rabbit escaped dash the hunter. Escaped is always followed by from. The rabbit escaped from the hunter. Ram is proficient dash several languages. Ram is proficient in several languages. Ram is proficient at swimming. So proficient proficient in something and proficient at doing something. Okay, so here you have ing, so at is given. Ram is proficient at swimming. Okay, so in something means what? In some subject or any language. So in is used when a subject is mentioned. At is used when an action is mentioned. Okay, we all sympathize dash you in your bereavement. So after sympathize with, always sympathize with you. He was debarred. So debarred is always followed by from. He was debarred from appearing in the exam. You should abstain. After abstain, always from. Abstain from junk food. Let's hope for the best. I am aware of his indecent behavior. So after aware, always of comes. I had to surrender dash the police. Now surrender to the police. Okay. He has been accused. Accused and convicted. Both are followed by of robbery. Always. I am addicted to smoking. So these are the prepositions which are always fixed. Okay, you cannot change them. Next, I have complained dash the principal, to the principal. I have complained against his misdeeds. She has been complaining of headaches. She was complaining about the bad weather. Now let's understand this. Complain. This one. Complain. Complain to authority. Okay, authority authority is your principal, your teachers, police, then your parents. These are your authority. So complain to authority against someone or something. Okay, always against someone or something. And then of and about is used for complain against, complain of and about. These are used. Now of is used for personal problems. The problems which can be solved. Okay, like complaining of headache. Headache is a personal problem. And about is used for general problems. The problems that cannot be solved, like bad weather. Bad weather cannot be solved. Okay. So she was complaining about the bad weather. Now he was guilty dash murder. Guilty is followed by of. Guilty of murder. I got rid dash the ugly chair. Rid is always followed by of. I got rid of the ugly chair. He has succumbed. Succumbed is always followed by to. Succumbed to cancer. You should be true to your words. True to. Okay. Succumbed to cancer means died. He has died of cancer. Okay. I am sensitive dash cold. I am sensitive to cold. So sensitive is always followed by to. He is in jail convicted of. So accused and convicted are always followed by of. It took me a long time to recover dash malaria, recover from malaria. Okay, recover is always followed by from. Don't comment dash someone without knowing the truth. Don't comment on someone. She is embarking dash a new career. She is embarking on a new career. He is well versed dash all the new technologies. Well versed in all the new technologies. How to get an exemption dash income tax, exemption from income tax. She insisted dash going there. She insisted on going there. Okay. I want to resign dash my monotonous job. I want to resign from my monotonous job. I am satisfied dash the money I have with the money I have. The stadium has a capacity dash 1000. The stadium has a capacity of 1000. She has a great capacity for hard work. It is within his capacity to do the job. Now capacity is followed by of, for and to. Of is used for showing content. Okay. So capacity of 1000. So what is the content of the stadium? The stadium can contain 1000 people. Okay. So of is used for showing content. For is used for nouns and to is used for verbs. Okay. And both for and to are used for showing the capability. Okay. So here look at this. She has a great capacity for hard work. This is a noun. That's why here for has been used. And to do the job, do is a verb. That's why here to has been used. Next. Mohan is married dash a rich girl. Mohan is married to a rich girl. I like to indulge in desserts. Street foods are deficient in important nutrients. Next. The decision has been imposed dash me by my parents. Imposed on me. My holidays coincided with my husband's. She agreed dash me dash the idea of feeding the stray animals. She agreed with me on the idea of feeding stray animals. Okay. So agree with someone on something. Okay. There is a shortage of food in my house. Mohan agreed dash my proposal. So Mohan agreed at my proposal. Okay. Now look at this. Agree. You agree with someone. Agree on a topic when two or more people decide something together and agree to a decision or proposal or plan. So here she agreed with me. So agreed with someone on the idea. So this is on something. So this idea was discussed. This idea was discussed between these two people. That's why on the idea of feeding the stray animals. Okay. Now at is used when you agree at a proposal, plan or decision. Okay. Agreed to my proposal. Not at. I'm very sorry. Agreed to my proposal. Okay. So to is used when you agree to a plan, a decision or a proposal. Okay. Now next, the manager is angry dash me dash my coming late to office. The manager is angry with me for my coming late to office. Okay. The teacher is angry at my performance. Now with angry, you become angry with someone for a reason and at something. Okay. With someone for a reason and at something. Okay. So angry with me. So with someone for a reason. This is the reason. Okay. And at something. This is something. Okay. At my performance. Understood? Next. My father had to deal dash goons while dealing dash real estates. My father had to deal with goons while dealing in real estate. So you deal with problems or with bad people. Deal with problems or bad people. And deal in is used for business. Okay, so deal in real estates. Citizens appealed the government a relaxation in the lockdown rules. The citizens appealed to the government. So you appeal to someone, to the government, for what? For a relaxation in the lockdown rules. Jury members were not allowed to discuss the trial with anyone. So after discuss, preposition is not used. So discuss on the trial or about the trial is incorrect, but with someone. Discuss something with someone. Okay. Next, the dog is blind dash one eye, blind in one eye. So when someone is blind in one eye, so when a person is totally blind, it is the dog is person or the animal, the dog is blind. But if one eye is not working, then the dog is blind in one eye. His mother is blind dash his faults. So his mother is blind to his faults. Okay, so you are blind in one eye and blind in one eye and blind to faults, mistakes or problems. Okay, next, blind to his faults means his mother overlooks his faults. Okay, Mohan is engaged dash Hetal. So Mohan is engaged to Hetal. They will get married next month. The manager is engaged with the problems of his staffs. So with engaged to is used when you talk about positive things. And with is used engaged with problems or bad people. Okay, here engaged with problems or bad people means involved. Okay, so engaged with problems of his staff. So here I will end the session. So please try practicing fixed preposition from this worksheet. So I will upload this PDF on my Telegram channel. So from there, download the PDF and try solving these questions yourself. Okay, so thank you all of you. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.